Good morning, futures traders. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. The time is 9:28. I'm going to be trading the NASDAQ Open today using PrayDoc Sentinel. We have about 10 seconds until we have our forecast print on the 929 bar.
Volume climax long.
Okay, we have an open neutral. All right, we haven't had that in a while, but I understand why based on looking at pre-market. So open neutral, this basically means it has no idea which direction we're going to go. Now, we can make an educated guess based on the fibs. We are in a fib down. Okay, so from here to here, we are at the end of the move. We are at the value area low. We could be heading towards the VWAP. We could take a possible break of the value area low. And because we are at a very weak resistance level right here. So our play is we wait. Like I said, we may have a break, possible break here. It's not.
Order canceled.
Okay, so see, we just wait because we do have a neutral. So again, it doesn't have a direction forecasted. So it did bounce off the 78.6 to the tick, which is a typical high risk area for retracement. So we don't do a thing. We just sit here and wait. You can see everything that got suppressed. We had several signals here that were firing into the 0% level that would have lost. So fib suppression protected us from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 signals that might have fired. Okay, so now we are looking to take possible break above here if our fibs flip up. But again, it's neutral, and you could see why, right? It doesn't really have a direction picked yet. So we're patient. We're waiting. We have very high volatility right now. You could see our kill zone box is taking up the majority of the space between the fib levels. Our tick density is not very high. Okay, so we're breaking above the London high, and we still keep respecting the 78.6
Trend cycle
level.
wave long.
We did get a trend cycle wave, so we
Order
can take a
filled.
manual trade here and see if we can get some momentum to the upside.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're not getting much momentum. I still do like it as a potential here. And we did not get in, unfortunately,
Order
on the
canceled.
trend cycle wave. We'll wait here to see
Order
if we get in.
filled.
This is our 40 tick line here. It's trying.
Order canceled.
Tough follow through here. I still think that we have an opportunity here. And there it goes. with this trend cycle wave.
Order
Flatten this.
canceled.
Get ready for a breakout here. We do have buying volume here. This is a classic breakout trade. If we okay, we're going to play for a breakout now. We do have buying volume here, several places. So buying volume here, here, here.
Order filled.
Signifies a good opportunity for a break. Okay, we are in now our break even plus 21 ticks, and we'll just see how our trail works out for this one here. We're going to be a little bit more aggressive on the trail here to get some profit taking. Protect our profits here.
Order canceled.
All right, that's that. So we didn't trade a lot of accounts today. We only had 2 in today's grouping. So that's our total across both accounts. All right, so today was a little bit different of a day. We just did some manual trading using the tools. We did have a trend cycle wave that indeed, if we stayed in it,
breakout
was
low.
our winning trade. We had a neutral open, which meant it didn't really pick a direction, but you did see it did shoot up. Okay, we did take the trend cycle wave for a few ticks, and then we took the breakout of the 0% level, and then you saw what happened there. So just remain patient. We had 3 winning trades here. Let's take a look at our report here and our test account here. So we did have 7 signals fire, but they were suppressed. We took 3 trades. You can see where we are from a P&L perspective, and then our efficiency. We took these 3 trades here. Okay, this was everything that was suppressed by Sentinel. So it chased, it's some chasing of this bottom, and you can see if we did take these, we would have lost.
Volume climax short.
Okay, so you can see we were fairly normal volatility in 13 minutes, and now we're in danger zone of volatility, as you can see here. So there's our summary. Anyway, if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave a comment, shoot a message on Discord, send me an email. Happy to respond. You can see here we had a climax, volume climax here, which is based on a volume spread analysis. We would not be in it yet. If you'd like more information on Praedox Sentinel, visit praedox.com, Praedox. Join our Discord. It's free to join. You could talk to some of our other traders. You ask them questions. You could ask me questions. Happy to share. We do show our profits and our losses on there as well. And we do indeed have losing days. Have a great day. Be back at it tomorrow.